Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by checking Essentials, open Settings, and note the model and Android version so you know what to expect. Once done, connect via Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions, and free 5 GB or more of storage so the package installs cleanly. Make sure the TV is plugged into a reliable power source. Do not depend on battery backup. Now, navigate to Settings System Software Update and choose Check for Updates to start the download process. You will see the new firmware listed with details. Tap Update to begin and watch the progress bar. While the package downloads, avoid launching apps or changing network settings. Interruptions can corrupt the upgrade. When prompted, confirm installation. The TV will reboot multiple times as system files replace old ones. Be patient. Typical installs take 15 to 30 minutes, and the screen may go blank intermittently. After the final reboot, allow the system optimization process to complete before using apps. Once your TV finishes booting, go back to Settings and confirm the updated Android version so you know the update succeeded. If apps behave oddly, clear caches, or sign out and back in, those quick fixes often resolve compatibility snarls. If the OTA update fails, download the correct firmware to a PC, copy it to a FAT32 USB stick, and use Settings Software Update via USB to retry. If all else fails, backup accounts, then perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.